G'day viewers, Sep here. I've had an overwhelming response to the HQ Holden Kingswood restoration overview. So what I thought I'd do, I found a whole heap of old restoration photos. I'll put together a slideshow, I suppose you'd call it, of the restoration. They were taken 13 years ago. Some of them might be not that clear, but you'll be able to see what the idea is. I'll do the slideshow with the photos and I'll play a little bit of music over it. So hopefully you'll get a little bit out of it anyway. You can see what we went through. And thanks for watching. Take it easy and see you on the next one.
Thank you.